I want to talk to you guys how to make money by simply writing and show you proof to piggyback on my previous videos. Now, for those of you who are new, you can earn money by writing on a 4x6 blank white unlined card that's 4x6 or paper, and you just write this prompt or template rather. This is pretty much the template you'll be writing. That's pretty much similar for all the companies, all the casino companies that offer this opportunity. They all have similar to this. Now, so like I was saying, so to show you proof from like the previous videos, it was taking forever to cash out. So I just stopped it at 500 so that you guys can see the process, and then I'll show you guys the zero out later because I didn't have time. It was late and I was doing a bunch of other things and trying to get out my quota that I have for myself. So let me show you. Okay, since I do everything on the phone I'm recording on presently, I'm going to show you on this phone that I recorded from this phone for this phone. See, it was $501.26 that I can cash out, that I can redeem. So I just redeemed it, and it's going to my bank account, as you can see. Continue, redeem. And then it shows me the redeem. It will be, your price is now pending. You will be advised by email when your request is approved, right? So you can see this is yesterday. This is the emails that I received. So that you can see I received this at 10:23 that your redemption request has been approved and your redemption request has been requested, right? So they sent me 2 emails at the same time, so it's been approved, right? So I'm going to go and show you the other email as well. Hold on. So this is the email. You can see it was at 10:25, so you can't say I'm tripping, and I received it at 10:23. And it says, "Hello, we are currently reviewing your request, and we will send you a confirmation email once your request has been approved. From this point, it takes up to 14 business days," which is incorrect because they already sent the approval. Oh, and you can see right here that says $501.26. Now, I did that so that you guys can see that that is not an average number to go by, right? So now you can see at 10:23 p.m., this is a screenshot, right? So it says, "Hello, Naya. Your redemption has been approved. We will process your payment from this point. It'll take 12 business days for the $501.26 to be into your account." Now, that is not accurate because it's going to get there before that. Now, see, it does show that I do receive this money, so it's not something that's fake or that, like a lot of people are saying, "Oh, this is not legit. They're scamming everybody." How am I scamming you? I'm giving you guys pretty much all the information, and I give you guys an ebook for $8. I paid $230 for that information and $19 a month. So I'm not scamming you. I'm not gonna scam you. I don't believe in giving out inaccurate information. So, but again, you saw. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna show you when it goes into my bank account. But I'm gonna have to block out stuff because I don't want you guys having my personal information like that. So you can just see that it was deposited into my account. The number $501.26 because that's not something that's just around, right? So, but yeah. So now I'm gonna go through the whole process with you guys. I'm gonna pick a company and just go through the process so you guys can see how long it takes me to receive my first batch. And I'm going to do it daily so you guys can watch me go through it so you guys can say, "Hey, I'm not receiving my stuff." I'm going to show you how it works so that way you could do it too, right? So I'm going to show as I go through my process. I'm going to start with Global Poker. I'll do Global Poker since that's not what I'm doing. So I'm already doing 3. I'm going to add one more, and I'm going to do 5 a day for that particular one. 5 Monday through probably Saturday. And that way, because you can only cash out if it's $100, right? So you can, if you want the gift card, you can cash out at 50. But I don't want the gift card. I want the money. So I'm going to start doing it with you. So we're going to go to Global Poker right now on this phone so you can see. We can go through the terms and conditions to show you where the template is that you can find that you can write yourself. So that way, if you don't want to get the $8 ebook, you can do it yourself. So let me go with you. So I already pre-recorded this so you can see it. But I'm going to sign up for the program. Well, sign up for the company. Later on, while I'm at home because I'm at work and they have blockers or something on certain websites. So I'm going to go through the process with you. And I'm going to record it while I go through it. So the video I upload tomorrow will be, I'm going to talk about it, but I'm going to show you the process of me starting to go up through it and show you that how I do my identification, how to sign up for the account. And pretty much the same for all of the companies, casino companies, right? So let's go to Global Poker together, right? And sorry, I am talking fast because I do have a class coming in. I'm trying to get this out before they come, right? So I did pre-record it in the car so that you guys can see. I'm doing Global Poker to show you from their terms and conditions where to find the information. And then I'm going to walk you through the process as I sign up and how long it takes me to receive each batch or each drop. As I mail them out, I will show you me mailing them out with all of mine, actually, not just Global Poker, because I do 3 other companies, right? So let me go to it so you can see it. So I'm going to go to globalpoker.com. I'm typing it all in so it doesn't go straight to the terms and conditions. So let's go on the terms and conditions. That's where we're going to get the template so you can see where you can find out any of these casino companies that I have mentioned or in the ebook. You can scroll to the bottom on Global Poker's website. I'm scrolling down. And then there's right there, it says sweep rules. I'm going to click on it. And now see, sweeps rules. These are the rules. You read the rules, right? I'm going to go straight to it so you can see it, right? So it's right here. So I got to zoom in so I can see it. So it says how to collect sweep coins. Let's zoom in. It says receive sweep coins by sending a request by post. Participants can receive free sweep coins by obtaining a postal code and sending a standard postcard or piece of white paper request card, which must be 4x6, unfolded, blank, and unlined, and placed inside a stamped number 10 envelope addressed in handwriting to the following address and satisfying the requirements set out below. So for US and for Canadians, it shows you the addresses to send it to. So you see it, right? And then participants must handwrite their return address on the front of the envelope and words sweep entries. Handwrite all of the following on only one side of the request card inserts inside the envelope. So see at the bottom, it tells you what you have to write and how do you have to write it. Their full name as shown on the government issued ID, the email, so first, middle, and last, your email address requested to Global Poker's account, and the return residential address by Global Poker account. See, all this is from your account, right? And then let me play it to go. So let me go to the next one because I screenshot it so I can see, because I can't see, right? So it says you have to write this. Oops. That's not. You have to write that. I don't know if you can see it. It says, I wish to receive sweep coins to participate in the sweepstakes promotions offered by Global Poker. By submitting this request, I hereby declare that I have read, understood, and agreed to be bound by Global Poker's terms and conditions and sweep rules. Now see, it's in the terms and conditions. I know a lot of people are saying that, oh, I can't find it. You just saw me go to it. You saw me do it. So show you. So now I'm going to sign up an account. I'm going to sign up for an account with Global Poker, and we're going to go through it together, and we're going to see how long it takes me to receive my first batch, right? So I told you 6 to 9 weeks. So from 6 to 9 weeks from now, I'm going to receive the first batch. And so I'm going to do 5 a day to add on top of all of my other ones, because I'm doing 20 for Chumba, 20 for Stake. No, 20 for Pulse, 5 for Stake now. How you do 5 to 10. Now I'm doing 5, and then 5 for Global Poker. I'm going to start doing that. So I'm going to sign up an account later. I'm going to show you how I sign up for an account. I'm not going to show you my information, but I'm going to show you how I do it. And then we're going to do it together. Or I'm going to fill them out. You know, I'm going to write, and I'm going to tell you guys about it like normal and show you that I'm getting processed. And I'm going to show you when I drop it off at the mailbox so that you can see that it's not a lie. I'm going to just do a small video of me dropping them off. Just dropping them off so that you can see, like, I'm literally every week I do this. So it's not like I'm just telling you something that's not going to go through. I'm trying to talk fast because I have a class coming in like 4 minutes. So please excuse me. So this is legit. I showed you that I got the cash out. When it comes to my account, I'll show you that too. But I'm showing you the process so you can see proof. And I'm showing you that I do write them different. Oh, and so you guys can see my bag. So you can see that I'm not lying. How many I got so far. This is my bag. With everything in it. With all my stuff in it. With my calendar that I keep track of all